Jane Redfern, home decorating enthusiast and creator of At Home with Zane. So welcome back, everyone. Today I am participating in a collaboration video that is hosted by the wonderful and lovely, talented Sharon over at Sharon She So Fabulous. So I'm going to include a link in my video description of the playlist for this collaboration, as well as a list to her channel so that you can go over and check her out. She's wonderful, she's talented, she's beautiful, she's funny, she's all of those things. So be sure and check out her channel. So she has put together this collaboration called the Interior Decorating Collaboration. And what she's done is invited a group of YouTubers to participate in sharing a space or a room in their home and present it in the style as if we were interior decorators or interior designers. So today I'm going to share with you the makeover of our front formal sitting room. Now, if you watched my video previously on this space, you'll know that this is an area that is considered to be a formal living room. There is no television in there. And what we were going for in this room was comfort and traditional style. So I'm going to take you on a tour of our space, the items in our room, where I've purchased them from, and how we decided to design this space to fit our needs and also take some challenges that were presented in a room with large windows and a door on one wall and a hallway entrance on another wall. So we really had a few challenges in this room, and I'm going to share with you today our design space. So this is our front formal sitting area, and we wanted to keep this extremely neutral. One of the big focal points here is we wanted to make sure to have ample seating space where everyone was able to converse very easily. And that is why we chose these two Broyhill camelback sofas that sit directly across from one another. This is so wonderful whenever we are entertaining, where everyone can sit across from one another and converse. As you can see, we have slip covered each of these sofas in this beautiful linen gray material. These are Sure Fit covers that we purchased from Target, and they were $59.99 each. And I think it's a great, inexpensive way to revamp a space without purchasing brand new furniture. So the pillows on each of the sofas came from IKEA, and they are the standard down inserts, and I've chosen white linen slip covers to go over each of the pillows. I think it really is a very neutral look, and it ties in with the white and the cream off of the coffee tables, side tables, and the mantle. The newest addition to our room is this beautiful cabinet from Country Door. It is the Chadwick cabinet, finished in gorgeous gray with this oil rubbed bronze hardware. I think this ties into our room so beautifully. So we wanted to make a big impact on this wall, and so these large wall sconces that I purchased from Country Door, along with these beautiful wooden arrow pictures, really tie in well with the sofa below. It picks up from the colors in the wood and also matches the decor in this room perfectly. In sticking with the traditionalism of this room, I have this beautiful Pottery Barn library chair that I've had for many years, and I have a simple IKEA throw sitting in the seat. Sitting next to our mantle is a focal point in our room. As soon as you enter the room, you see the mantle along with this beautiful chair. And then above the mantle, we have this large mirror. I love mirrors because they create reflection and balance in your room. These gorgeous lamps on the mantle I purchased at Target many years ago. And then I have the wooden houses from the Hearth and Hand collection at Target. A boxwood wreath hanging on the front finishes off the look of this mantle, and I think this is an absolutely beautiful look when you're entering the room. Speaking of mirrors, I have these two large Hollywood Regency mirrors on the opposite wall, and I purchased these at HomeGoods several years ago, and they sit above one of our sofas. And again, in a space like this, it really creates reflection and balance and really provides that extra amount of reflection and light. The side tables and lamps were purchased from IKEA, and these gray metal lamps along with the white side tables I think just fit perfectly into this space. Using a slip-covered chair that I purchased from an antique mall, I've created this wonderful cozy nook by these large, beautiful windows. In sticking with the traditionalism in this room, we have this beautiful antique secretary in this dark, rich finish. The room is accessorized with seasonal and traditional decor. There are metal elements, there are wooden elements. Our coffee table is very simplistic in terms of the decor, and everything in here just has a simplistic, very classic look. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Sharon, for inviting all of us to be a part of this lovely collaboration. Again, go over and check out Sharon's channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscription button so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos I have in store. Check out my video description for links to all my social media sites, my Pinterest, my Instagram, my Facebook, my website. It's a one-stop shop. Check all of my social media out. Follow me over there. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll look for you the next time.